In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export n8n workflows. By the end, you'll have a clean JSON file you can back up, share with teammates, or move to another environment with confidence. First, head to n8n.io in your browser. If you're self-hosting or using a dedicated workspace URL, open that address instead. Sign in if prompted, and make sure you're in the right project or workspace where your workflow lives. This ensures you're looking at the correct set of automations and have permission to export. Next, navigate to the workflow you want to export. From the workflow list, click the workflow's name to open it in the editor. You should see the familiar canvas with your nodes and connections. Take a moment to confirm you've saved your latest changes so the export matches what you see on screen. If you work with versions, make sure the version you want is the one currently active. This quick check helps you avoid exporting an outdated draft. Once the workflow is open, look to the top right corner of the editor. You'll see a three-dot menu, sometimes labeled as More Options. Click that menu to reveal additional actions related to your workflow. This menu is where n8n tucks away export and maintenance tools so they're easy to find but don't clutter your main editing space. If your screen is smaller, you might need to scroll or resize the window slightly to see the menu clearly. From that menu, select Download. n8n will prepare a JSON file that describes your workflow's structure, including nodes, connections, parameters, and settings. This file does not include your actual credential secrets, which is a good security practice. You'll be prompted to choose a location on your computer to save the file. Keep the default name if it helps you track versions, or rename it with something descriptive like the workflow name and today's date. Store this file somewhere safe, ideally in version control, or a shared folder your team can access. That's all it takes. Go to n8n, open the workflow you want, click the three-dot menu, and hit Download. With that JSON export in hand, you can easily back up your automation, share it for review, or import it into another n8n environment whenever you're ready. If you plan to reuse it later, add a short note about the workflow's purpose and any credentials or environment variables it depends on, so setup is smooth when you import. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, keep your exports organized, and you'll always have a reliable snapshot of your automations ready to go.